Hello everyone, my name is Llewyn and this is my project EcoQuizz Plus. EcoQuizz Plus is a Python-based, story-driven quiz game that teaches climate change concepts through an interactive adventure. Instead of a traditional quiz, players progress through narrated chapters and face symbolic titans, representing real environmental issues like pollution, deforestation, and global warming. This is what happens when you start the game. This and like this. And you can start answering questions, etc. The project is built using modular functions where each question is implemented as its own function. This makes the code easier to read, debug, and expand. These are all the questions. You can see 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3, 4. This is an interlude. 5, 6, 7A, 7B, 8A, 8B, 9, and afterwards this is the prelude for question 10 and the outro. And go to the top. This is one of the examples of the usage of while true inside my code. Here. Scoring is managed using a points variable that is passed between functions. Correct answers increase points, incorrect answers reduce them, and later chapters award higher points to reflect increased difficulty. This is an example of a question that shows 2 points, that gives out 2 points. For example, here, 7B, as you can see here, it gives out 2 points. The game also includes a hint system. Players can type hint to receive help at the cost of points, and a global variable tracks total hints used across the entire game. This is the total hints variable, and this is it added. Okay. To improve user experience, I added a pause function to control pacing and clear the screen between characters. This is a pause function, as you can see over here. After each correct answer, the game displays a short fact check with a credible source such as NASA, WHO, or EMA, ensuring educational agent accuracy. This is one fact check box, as you can see over here. The game ends with a final score, performance title, and a replay option. EcoQuizz Plus demonstrates structured programming, logical control flow, and how coding can be used to educate users about real-world environmental issues. Thank you for your time and consideration.